Hello, dear students. Welcome to English class. I hope all of you are doing well. Students, in this video, I shall be continuing with chapter 5, that is Gulliver's Travels. So, in the previous video, I explained you the chapter, and in this video, I'll be proceeding with the exercises. So, comprehension part is already done. Let me come to the language structure. Now, in this, we'll move to question number B, that is make adjectives from the following nouns. See, first of all, what do you mean by an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. कोई भी ऐसा word जो noun को describe करता है, that refers to an adjective. For example, I have long hair. In this sentence, hair is the noun and I have long hair. Long is the adjective because long is describing my hair. Long ये बता रहा है कि मेरा hair कैसा है, मेरा hair long है. So long is the adjective. A word that describes a noun. कोई भी ऐसा word जो noun को describe करता है. It gives any word that gives us more information about the noun, that refers to an adjective. So I hope that the concept of adjective is clear to everybody. Now what you have to do, मेक एडजेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग नाउन्स. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं एंड फ्रॉम दोज नाउन्स यू हैव टू फॉर्म एडजेक्टिव्स. नाउ हाउ यू विल फॉर्म एडजेक्टिव्स? बाय एडिंग सम alphabets. For example, you may add, one second, you can add y, you can add ous or ious, or you can add ful full. So by adding these words or these letters you can form adjectives from nouns. So let's start with the first one, that is juice. So what can be added to juice in order to make it an adjective? Juicy. Y can be added. juicy, juicy. Next is help. Help we can add full. Please students, do not add ing because अगर आप ing add करोगे तो वो verb बन जाएगा. Helpful, sorry, helping. Helping will be a verb. और हमें यहाँ पे verb नहीं बनाना है. We have to make adjectives. So helpful. Next is courage. What can be added to courage to make it an adjective? Courageous. One second, courageous, courageous. Play, playful, playful. Length, lengthy. I'm writing it here, lengthy, lengthy. Next we have storm, stormy, stormy. Fun, funny, funny. Dirt, I'm writing dirty over here, dirty. Next we have joy, joyful, joyful. And the last word is adventure. So ous can be added and it will be adventurous. So let me erase this. Adventurous, turous. Adventurous. Students, please write the correct spellings. So I hope question number B is clear to everybody. Now let's move to the grammar glee. Degrees of comparison of adjectives. Students, you have already learned about the degrees of comparison in your previous class. We have 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now what is this positive degree? पॉजिटिव डिग्री इज़ यूज टू डिस्क्राइब थिंग्स और पर्सनस. जब भी हम लोग किसी पर्सन को या किसी थिंग को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, व्हेन वी और टू गिव मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट पर्सन, दैट रेफर्स टू पॉजिटिव डिग्री. इसमें हम लोग कंपेयर नहीं करते. इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री वी डू नॉट कंपेयर अ पर्सन और अ थिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम इज़ अ स्मार्ट बॉय. राम इज़ अ स्मार्ट बॉय. हियर स्मार्ट इज़ द एडजेक्टिव. राम इज़ अ स्मार्ट बॉय. मैं राम को किसी से कंपेयर नहीं कर रही हूँ. Next we have comparative degree. Comparative, from the name only you can identify. Comparative. See, comparative means compare. You have to, here you have to compare. So comparative degree is used when we compare two things or two persons. जब भी हम लोग दो things या दो persons को compare करते हैं, then we use comparative degree. And here we add ER, IER or more. For example, Sita is more beautiful than Rita. More beautiful, right? Sita is more beautiful than Rita. Ram is taller than Shyam. Tall is the positive degree and taller will be the comparative degree. So I have added ER to tall, which will make taller. So when we compare two persons or two things, we use the comparative degree. Next we have superlative degree. Now this is the biggest degree. So superlative degree is used when we compare more than two things or more than two persons. जब हम लोग दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों को compare करते हैं, not दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों या दो से ज़्यादा persons को compare करते हैं, then we use superlative degree. Superlative means सबसे ऊंचा वाला, सबसे high वाला. For example, Mukesh Ambani is the richest man of India. मुकेश अंबानी इज़ द रिचेस्ट मैन ऑफ इंडिया. मतलब पूरे इंडिया में, मैं इंडिया में जितने भी लोग हैं सबसे कंपेयर कर रही हूँ. सबके बीच में सबसे ज़्यादा रिचेस्ट कौन है? मुकेश अंबानी है. एंड वन मोर थिंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, द वर्ड द इज़ यूज्ड with the superlative degree of comparison. अगर the आ गया है, that means you have to use superlative degree. Mukesh Ambani is the richest man. The richest. Sita is the most beautiful girl of this class. The most beautiful. The, I have used the. So whenever the is used, that means you have to use superlative degree over there. So I hope the concept of degrees of comparison is clear to everybody. Now let's move to the questions. Complete the following table by writing the correct degrees of comparisons of the given adjectives. So a table is given and you have to complete this table. Beautiful, the comparative degree will be more beautiful, not beautifuler. We write more beautiful. One second. More beautiful. You can write it completely because space is not there, so I'm just writing this much. Then we have superlative degree. So the superlative degree of beautiful will be most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Next, taller is given. So positive degree will be tall. And the comparative degree superlative degree will be tallest. TALLEST. Third one, coldest is given as a superlative degree. So positive degree will be cold, comparative degree will be colder and coldest. Next, easy. Easy, easier. EASIER. Easy, easier, easiest. Easiest. Next, more caring. So positive degree will be caring, more caring and most caring. Please write the complete thing, that is most caring. Next, fittest is given as a superlative degree. So positive degree will be, one second, positive degree will be fit, fitter and fittest. Next we have bad. So the comparative degree of bad is not badder or baddest. It is bad, worse and worst. Next, more intelligent. So positive degree will be intelligent, more intelligent and most intelligent. Next, dearest is given as the superlative degree. So positive degree will be dear, comparative degree will be dearer and dearest. Next, funny. So comparative degree will be funnier, FUNNIER, funny, funnier, funniest, FUNNIEST, funniest. Next is careful. So comparative degree will be more careful and superlative degree will be most careful. Next, Fitter. So the positive degree will be fit and the superlative degree will be fittest. See, it is already given here also. Next, shiniest. So the positive degree will be shine, shinier and shiniest. Costly, costlier and costliest. Next, let's move to last one, wise. So the positive degree will be, sorry, wiser is given, so positive degree will be wise. Comparative is given wiser and the superlative will be wisest. Now let's move to question number B. Write the correct degrees of comparisons of the adjectives given in the brackets to complete the following sentences. So there are 10 sentences given and in the bracket adjectives are given. You have to write the correct degree of comparison on the basis of the sentences. So let's start with the first one. Red apples are usually dashed than green apples. When we compare two things, then we use the comparative degree. So comparative degree of sweet will be sweeter. Red apples are usually sweeter than green apples. Next, Rahul is the, please see, Rahul is the dash student in the class. Talkative. So since the is used, that means we have to use superlative degree. Rahul is the most talkative student in the class. Third, this carpet is dash than the other one. Clean. See, comparison between two carpets. This carpet is cleaner than the other one. Fourth, the journey was very dash. Here comparison is not made. Only a description regarding journey is given. So the journey was very long. Positive degree will be used. Fifth, the boy wearing blue shorts is the dash runner of our school. Is the dash, that means superlative degree, is the fastest. Sixth, Ira's cakes are always dash than my cakes. Good. So what will be the comparative degree of good? Comparative degree will be better. Good, better, best. Next, the story I read last night is the dash story I have ever read. Is the dash story. That means superlative degree. Interesting is given. So the superlative of interesting will be most interesting. Most interesting. Let's move to question number 8. Gaurav is dash than his sister. Active. Gaurav is more active than his than his sister. 9th, Vaibhav is dash than his brother. Vaibhav is smarter. Since a comparison between Vaibhav and his brother is done, so comparative degree will be used. And the last one, 10th, Mona is a dash girl. Mona is a nice girl, because no comparison has been made, only a description regarding Mona is given. Mona is a nice girl. So I hope that all the exercises are clear to everybody. Thank you so much, students. I'll meet you in the next video with the next or new chapter. Till then, please study properly, work hard and complete your work on time. Thank you so much.